So guys, remember in that video, garden video that my brother-in-law spoke about bitter melon. This is it. This is the bitter melon that he was talking about. One is now picked. You can look at it. Rough. It's not as smooth as the regular melon. It is rougher. Yes. Right here. And I was told it's good for diabetes, etc. And that's so sure. You can look it up. You can Google it and see what it's good for. Yes, don't take my word for it. But yes, this is it. All homegrown. Yeah. Bitter melon. Alright. Bye. So guys, remember I told you about this corn in this garden. Look at it now. My sister is going to try it to see if it's ready. Go ahead. So when it's ready, oh, it got sis. When it's ready,
the tusk or hair is dried like this, brown, or none, or it's like gone. So hopefully it is. Whoa, it's ready! Look at that, look at that, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that, the corn is ready. Beautiful. Right from this garden right here. Beautiful. Wow, for dinner. So nice. Hold this, let me try another one. Corn is ready, guys. Corn is ready. So we're gonna try another one. See, this has none, so that's a sign that it's full. I'm happy. My favorite, one of my favorite corn. Wow, all homegrown. Yes, all natural. Yes, all natural. No pesticides, no nothing. Yes. Put this in some soup, some beef soup, chicken soup, or pigtail soup. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, I'm excited too. Yay. Oh, this is lovely. Yes. Lovely. See another one here. I don't know if that one is ready. You see? Yeah. So we don't get not one. We don't get two. But we're open for 3. Okay? Yes. Yeah. Oh man, this don't have nothing at all. Only one. See, sometimes this happens, guys. Yes. What you plant, you sometimes get some different stuff, but no worries, we get 2 good ones. Yes. So that's a great sign. Yes, that is. And they're planted from seeds, so to plant 1 seed and to get a corn, we're grateful because God is good. Awesome. Yes, guys, so we are checking out because we got our corns. We got 2 corns from the garden so far. We have some more still to come, so we're waiting on those. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.